Hey guys, recently I watched a Green Lantern movie and I thought, why not make a power ring for each one of my favorite Avengers? Here they are. Let's make them! I've taken a paper and I'm folding it like this. Now I'll roll it like this into a ring. I have made 4 such rings and I have cut 4 such cardboard pieces. Now I'm going to paste the cardboard pieces on the ring like this. It's paint time. I made this green ring for Hulk, red ring for Spider-Man, blue ring for Captain America, and red and yellow ring for Iron Man. Let's paste them. So here are the rings I made. Please let me know which was your favorite ring by commenting below. Bye, like and subscribe, be creative, Spark Hacks Power!